Hey guys, let's talk about how you can install this Ring indoor camera on a wall or ceiling. I'm talking about this Ring indoor second generation, which comes with this shutter, okay, the privacy shutter. Here you see the base and also the screws that you can use to install this camera. So it's super simple. You just need to take the camera and install the base just right here, okay? After you install the base on a wall, for example, you just need to slide here. There's the position that you need to slide. You see here that you have this place that you just push this connector, okay? Just that way. That's why it says up here, because you're gonna push in this direction here. But before doing that, of course, you're gonna use this plate, go to a wall, drill the holes there, and install this plate. And then you can just put the camera there and push into the correct position, okay? So the screws goes here. If you take a look here on the plate, you see when the screw goes here, take a look here. The screw has like a triangular shape on its head, and then it just go here perfectly, and you see that there is no extra space here, right? Right? So super simple. You can see with the other one as well. It works like this. And then when it's in the wall already, it's going to be that way that you can slide the camera. That's the one. Okay, see here up. I'm gonna slide the camera into the position here. And then see the screws are they're securing the camera. So it looks simple, right? When you want to remove the same, you just need to push the camera, and then it's going to release this one here, okay? I'm just try to do this. It's a little bit hard when you have the camera already installed, but you can just push and move it, right? And then basically with this plate here, when it's in its location, you're gonna have the camera in different position because it can just move like this, right? See here the base, it can move. Then if you put in this position here, for example, you're gonna have the wall here, like so, and there's your camera. Then you can move down or up, okay? It works pretty good. This isn't the wall installation. If you have a camera in the ceiling, you can even just move this down like so, and then you install here to the ceiling, just like so, and you have your camera. You can just move to a different position as well. It works pretty fine. Okay, so pretty easy. That's the way basically you can install your Ring indoor camera, second generation, on a wall or on a ceiling. I hope this helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.